today's video, I'm going to show you how to not put a battery under your bonnet, but in behind the rear seat. I have always sort of done the under bonnet second battery or dual battery system under bonnet with the 2 lithium batteries. This time I'm going to try for something behind the rear seat. It's a rear system that mounts behind the seat in factory mounting positions. You do need to take away the rear wall cover, but it's from a company called Cangoee. I've been looking into them, done a fair bit with the Y62 patrols when I've been working at EC Off-Road. Their stuff looks amazing. It's simple, it's plug and play, very easy to wire up. Everything's all mounted on the board, so let's go have a look at it now. So guys, this is the system. This is how it comes from Cangoee. So that's the battery itself, instructions, comes with it. And then behind here is the actual board. And included is your smart SHUNT. Can't really see. Let me get rid of all this. Alright, so that's better. Now I can sort of go through everything that it comes with. So we've got MPPT, so your solar regulator. Comes with a fuse box, so I can do all of our tap outs for our fridge, cigarette sockets, whatever else you're going to use. So that's nice and simple, easy to use. Smart SHUNT, so that's a Victron Smart SHUNT that hooks up to your battery and then hooks up to your app. And from the app, the Victron app, you can actually just look at it and see what it's doing. And then lastly, the other thing that it comes with is a cable kit. So literally you go from your battery, your main battery, back to this. Now, some of you guys are looking at it going, where's the charger? Where does it charge from? Well, most people would have to buy a secondary charger, but this one actually has the charger built into it. So this is a 110 amp of lithium. It's a slimline lithium, very tiny. Doesn't weigh much. I think it's 13 kilos, 13.5 kilos. And that goes straight onto the mounting bracket here, mounts behind the rear seat. That plugs into the side. That gives you all of your smarts, all of your technology that's in there. Got a couple of MIDI fuses in there. That's managing your fuse box and your solar regulator. It's actually really, really simple. Goes in behind the rear seat, plugs in, mounts to existing mounting brackets. Bang done, off we go. I got to pull out the rear seat. I got one baby seat in there already. Yeah, there's a couple of bolts. I have pulled out an N80 rear seat before. It is pretty simple, so I might need the windows down for this. Let some air circulate. The car's very hot. I think it's like 40 degrees today. Way off, it's not 40. It's 31 though.
Run out loud, gotta run on. Keep on running till the sun goes down. Run out loud, better run on. Run all day till you can't be found.
Yeah, 2 at that end, 2 at that end, 1 in the middle there. And then we're out. It is 13 mil. So that's the rear seats out. Next I need to take off the back wall, which is just a couple of these little plugs. So I'm just going to pull them out. That'll pull out the rear wall. Then we can see what we're working with. They're just on a little hook system actually. So I've got our mounting bracket, which is just going to go there. By the looks of it, I'm going to need potentially a nut cert. So now I've done nut certs into the spots required, I can go ahead and mount my plate. So at this point guys, I'm feeling pretty confident that that's where it should all be. So all of our mounting brackets are in place. Everything is where it should be. Pretty straightforward really. Those 2 cables just need to mount onto your positive and negative points. And then we need to run some cables to the front to get some charge. Fast forward just a little bit and it's in. Cables run down to the front. Glove box is still pulled apart. Got the fuse that came with it running to the power. Earth's been earthed. So just punch through the firewall there. Come up, run along, cable tied it. And then cables from the rear. As you guys will see, there is a shunt and also the solar controller that are both Victron. So to help with that, I've downloaded the Victron app, and you literally just tap on the shunt and it shows 100% battery. You go back, you can go into your MPPT, so your solar regulator, and shows you how much solar is going in. Currently no solar panel, so obviously no charge. Just about anyone can do it. Everything comes with it. You don't need extra things. The only thing that I really needed was the nutsert gun to be able to do a couple of the nutserts in the rear wall, which luckily I had one. Next would be to probably get some solar panels, plenty of space up there, or I can put it up on top of the roof rack. I've also got, I haven't shown you guys yet, I've got a new fridge to go in here. So an Evercool 80 litre twin zone fridge freezer. So that's gonna go in here. I also got the slide, but first I'm gonna be doing some tub preparation before that. I'm gonna leave you a link to this one in the description here.